Hi, this is Ron Ameln from the St. Louis Small Business Monthly, and we're here at the St. Louis Business Expo with Mark Slyman from First Community Credit Union.
How you doing, Ron?
Welcome.
Thank you.
Thanks for being here. Tell us about what's going on at First Community these days.
Well, obviously, we have consumer loans, greatest rates on the market there. But right now we have a big push for our business side. Anything from working capital lines of credit for inventory to float your accounts receivable, equipment loans, vehicles, commercial real estate, anything that traditional banks will do. Just we feel that we offer a better product because of our service.
Yeah, and it's probably interesting because business owners don't consider. I think 5-10 years ago they never considered a credit union when they needed a line of credit or a business loan.
Sure,
but that's all changed now, right?
Yeah, it is relatively new to the credit union world. Obviously, we are member-owned, so any retainages after expenses and reserves go back to the member in terms of lower interest rates on loans, as well as higher yields on their savings and checking accounts. We actually have a 2.01% on our checking right now. So
that's great, and I think people used to think of credit unions as being industry specific, and that's not so much the case anymore.
No, cross industries, really, anywhere from daycare facilities to landscaping companies, dentists, CPAs, lawyers, anything you can think of.
So when someone comes to you guys for a line of credit or a business loan, tell me how should they be best prepared to come to you? What do you guys need to have in place?
If you're a new business, obviously a good business plan, couple years projections, usually 24 months to 36 months projections. SCORE and SBA are great contacts for actually coming up with a business plan and getting coached as to how to become bankable. If you've been in business 2 to 3 years, usually we would ask for 2 years personal tax returns, 3 years financial statements for your company, and just overall, what's your business model? I'll have a conversation with you and really do a needs-based analysis and get to know you and your business so that we can offer solutions that would best meet what your needs are.
Yeah. From your vantage point, I mean, what's the most rewarding part of your job when you go out and talk with these many business owners?
I just love helping people. I mean, I came from a larger bank. I'll tell you one thing. The credit union world, to me, it's a breath of fresh air. I mean, where most banks are tightening their purse strings, we're opening up ours.
Sure.
I mean, we have capital because of our member service. We are so capitalized right now, and we're really wanting to go out and lend to the communities, create jobs, really focus in on the things that are important, so that we can grow our book of business as well.
Yeah, and community credit unions have always been a big part of the community. So
sure.
Now that they're going into the business world, I think it's fantastic to help build those businesses as well.
Sure, and we like to say we're small enough to care, large enough to help.
Right.
And with over $1 billion in assets, like I said, we're capitalized and we have the money to lend right now.
So for anyone who wants to contact First Community, how can they best contact you?
You could call the business loop line. It's at 636-728-3381. You can ask for myself. There's someone on staff every day, and I'd be happy to speak with anybody and everybody that's looking to get a business loan or just talk about how to become bankable in the future.
Fantastic. Thank you very much for being here today.